Introduce quick overview and highlight features of Anker Docking Station, PowerExpand Elite 13 inches -1 Thunderbolt 3 dock for USB-C laptops, 85-watt charging for laptop, 18-watt charging for phone. 4K HDMI, 1 GB Ethernet, audio, USB A Generation 1, USB-C Generation 2, SD 4.0. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Connect everything imaginable. A total of 13 ports offer unparalleled functionality. From high-speed charging to high-definition media display, ultra-fast data transfer to crystal-clear audio output, PowerExpand has it all. Fast charging to multiple devices. The 85-watt Thunderbolt 3 port provides enough power to fully charge a MacBook Pro 13.3 inches in less than 2 hours, while an 18-watt power delivery USB-C port can charge an iPhone 11 in just 1.75 hours. Transfer files in seconds. Dual Thunderbolt 3 ports each support data transfer at up to 40 GB, enough to transfer a 20 GB file in just over 6 seconds. SD and microSD card slots support virtually all SD card formats for seamless access to photos and other media files. Total multimedia connectivity. Connect to multiple monitors via the Thunderbolt 3 and HDMI ports for a simpler and more productive experience. The Thunderbolt 3 port also supports dual 4K at 60Hz displays via USB-C to dual HDMI splitter not included. A 3.5mm O port lets you listen to music or take part in meetings in full 48 kHz 16-bit digital transmission. If you do not understand or not sure or have questions from what we described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.